Okay, so this is part 2 of assignment 6. So we left off, we found the RSE for model 1, we found the adjusted R squared for model 1, so just say equals in this. And we found the coefficients for the regression model. So let's do the same for model 2. So we have our R output at the bottom. But we can start taking away this stuff, the model 1 stuff now. Actually, maybe let's keep. Just take that part away, I guess. Let's keep that. That's for model 1 here. Okay, then model 2 will start below here. So let's first find the RSE. So there it is right there. So let's put our RSE up there. It's right here. So RSE equals like that. So for model 2 now. Model 2. Let's do the adjusted R squared, so it's here. Put that up here. Below this, below the RSE. And just change it to equals here. Okay, and then we'll find, let's put this down here. Oops, not that part, just there. Oops, undo that. Copy that. Okay, let's find out information from model 2. It's right here. Bring it up here. Okay, let's put it below this guy. So the length is, this is the coefficient from the length. And this is the B value. This is minus here. I can get rid of this then. So we're done with model 2 now. So let's go down to model 3. I guess this stuff, let's keep that there. This stuff down here, all the way until it gives us the predicting. Let's remove it just to get out of the way. Okay, then model 3 starts here. So it's going to have this one. To the RSE first, so 4.462 for RSE. Here. RSE equals that. Then we'll do adjusted R squared for model 3. Right here. Adjusted R squared. Here. Let's change the equal sign. Okay, then we'll find the A, B's, and C values that minimize the RSE. Let's go down here. So here's the stuff we're looking at. Paste it below this. So our weight coefficient is that. So it goes here. Then the length, this guy. So my B value. This is my C. Okay, let's take this away. Okay, so then the rest of the R code down here, we can probably just take away. Don't need it anymore. Well, never mind. Let's keep it there for timing. I'm going to probably need a bit here. Okay, so let's see. Which model predicts the female baby's age the best? Justify our answer. Okay, so let's take a look here. So we're going to look at the adjusted R squareds. So for M1, our adjusted R squared is this. Is that. For M2, we just did R squared is this. And lastly, for model 3, the adjusted R squareds here. Okay, so we can say then, since M1 has the largest adjusted R squared value, R squared value, it follows that model 1 is the best predictor as predictor of a female baby's age. So actually, just look at let's look at the predictions we got for M1. Let me go like this. Yes, that was our M1 prediction. Let's paste that here. You can kind of see it. We have our M2 prediction here. This was was it M2 or M3? No, that was M3. This is M3 prediction. Let's put that here. Let's say, oops. Let's say this. Let's say this. Call this M1 prediction. Is that then we'll have our M2 prediction. M2 prediction is, oops, that guy. And then we'll have, let's bring it up here maybe. And then last, our M3 prediction. So M3 prediction is the last one. Oops. Here it is. Oh, sorry, I think I did M2 and M3 are the same all the same. I got my M2 wrong here. I just take this one away. Got my M2 in here. It's M1. Okay. Did I get rid of the M2? Oh, here's the M2 right here. actually put them on separate lines. So you can see the M1 model predicted 14.5 pounds, M2 model predicted 12.9 pounds, M3 model predicted 15.99 pounds. So this is the best model here. That's our best model. So that should be the best prediction for predicted age of a baby. He's 20 pounds. Okay, so let's go to so lastly paste. Okay, residuals. Okay, so when you've done complete assignment, yeah, just submit it. Okay, so we're done with step 4. So I guess the last step then is, let's get rid of all this down here now. Go to run our script. I close it, I guess, here. But just open it again. Our code's still here from last time. Run it. Actually, I can't see it, so I need to go. Again, sometimes you can't scroll, so you have to do this. I can't scroll this time. Close. There it is. So I'm going to run the script. Then just copy this guy. Copy image. Paste. Copy the next one. Should be 3 of them here. Copy. Paste below this. Come on. Okay, so link's over here. There it is. Paste. And paste the last one. So copy and paste. Okay, so we got our residuals, and we have our R code, and we've answered all the questions. So we're done with the assignment. So we just need to submit it now. So you submit it the usual way on Canvas. Just do it here. Just get shareable link. Anyone can view, and then just submit it like usual. So that's it.